Detox liver diet. The liver is unquestionably one of the hardest working internal organ in the body. As part of the organs of elimination, along with the kidneys and lungs, a person would need a liver in excellent shape in order to function properly. However, the presence of chemicals and toxic materials in the environment, food products, and even in medicines, the liver takes on extraordinary burden. After some time, the liver simply could not keep up with the rapid increase of harmful toxins in our body. The gradual accumulation and buildup of toxic residue will combine in the bloodstream, which will result to some serious health complications. The detox liver diet is a highly effective detoxification process that can eliminate and flush out toxins that are not only fatal to the liver, but also to the other major internal organs as well. By incorporating organic fruits and raw vegetables in our diet on a daily basis, we can potentially get rid of the toxins that our bodies are exposed to. Suffering PMS or Pre-Menstrual Syndrome are actually a red flag that your liver is not capable of fully detoxifying your system. A dysfunctional liver could ultimately lead to an increased storage of toxic compounds in the body tissues, potentially lowering the immune system and triggering a host of health problems. The detox liver diet encourages individuals to avoid caffeine and nicotine, refined sugar, alcohol, dairy products, and meat products, since these are the main contributor of a toxic buildup. By undergoing a detox liver diet, a person will be able to cleanse his system and at the same time lose a few pounds in the process. People who have undergone a detox liver diet claim that the first few days are the most difficult part, since the abrupt change of food intake could cause irritability and fatigue. There are also some people who might experience minimal side effects such as skin breakouts, mild skin irritations, and other discomfort. However, this is only expected to last for a couple days or so. The best thing to do is to continue with the detox liver diet, and after 4 to 5 days, you will considerably feel lighter and more rejuvenated. By giving your body time to adjust and get accustomed to the new dietary regimen, you are well on your way to a healthier life. In order to achieve good health, don't count on fast fixes or fad diets. Instead, it is much more rewarding to stick to a diet that works best for you.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.